Welcome back to cryptogains for another video. Bitcoin just smashed through 100k, sitting on $102,000. Let's talk about it. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. It's gonna be a quick one. I want to show you some stuff that I see in the charts. I'm not going to show this one. I spoke about it in one of my last analysis videos. Make sure you go on my channel, check it out. I want to talk about this one here because where is Bitcoin going to go now? How high can it go? This is the pi cycle. So yeah, not financial advice. Take this, as some good information, and we'll see what happens from there. Now, let me take off these white dotted. Actually, I'll keep the white dotted lines on. I really highly recommend you check my last video on the pi cycle because I was saying how the pi cycle could essentially give us a false signal this time round. You'll understand once you look at the last video that I made on the pi cycle. The thumbnail's titled "Wrong Pi Cycle Wrong" or something like that. But anyway, we can still use this to kind of catch a vibe of where Bitcoin can go. So if we just take a look back in the past, when we've seen rallies, we've always seen a rally up to the green line and it cools off. Look, same here, rally up to this green line. In this case, it broke through the green line and went surging up. Same with like 2017 cycle, right? 2016, 2017. It comes up towards the green line, it falls down in price. Let me come and make this really clear so you can see, right? And what the pi cycle does, guys, is it always calls the top. So if you're new and you want to know what it does, this orange line eventually comes up, it meets with this green line, it makes this sort of pink line straight down, and it does it right at the top of the cycle, calls the top spot on. And it has done for many cycles, even in the past. You look at the last top over here on the left hand side, prices go up, it spikes, it calls the top of the cycle. But I do feel like it could give us a false signal this time around. Make sure you check the video so you understand. So what am I looking for now then? We'll see if it does or not, we'll see. Unless the cycle goes really, really long. But anyway, I'm looking for the price to come up to the green line, kiss it, and then fall back down. Because this is what it's done in the past. Every time it hits this green line, it cools off. We have like a call off period, right? So let's take a look at where we are right now in the future. Wow, $102,600. Finally did it, that's mad. We all knew it was gonna go there eventually, but it's gonna cause excitement and maybe a huge amount of FOMO come into the market, at least I think. Maybe I'll let some smart people take some money, but you will have some more excitement to come, I think. I really believe so. So this is where we are right now in the future. Right now as it exists today. So as you can see, we had a mad rally up in the past, went up, this is back in March. We came up to this green line, we flirted with it, and then we, kind of sold off, or came, a little, just cooled off for a bit. And then, now we're coming to surge up again. I think we're going to come up to this green line, which right now, this green line, it's moved up since my last video because, I actually made it another line, but I'm going to bring this line up like this. The green line is around $125,000. To be precise, it's $125,686. Can it get there? I believe it will. And the matter of fact, the longer it takes to get there, the longer this green line is rising. So it could go higher. Maybe next week when I come and bring another video on this green line might have gone up. Now you can see I've just made a horizontal green line. We'll see as time goes on, because if the green line continues to go up, this green line will stay in the same position at 125,000, whatever it is, and then you'll see what I mean. So as it stands right now, $125,000, that's the price I'll be looking for a Bitcoin price, and we will take it there. I'm going to leave it here. Shout out to you guys that's been holding all this time from right down 15K. Or if you've been around as long as I have, right back from 2015, we're all the way back here. Look, this is where, I just messed it up. This is where I got in. Where's 2015 cycle? Sort of massive blow up, 2015. Maybe somewhere, maybe here, maybe somewhere here. Because I do remember buying some stuff and then it fell down again. So maybe somewhere here. I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Cheers.